So according to citylab.com, the average summer temperature of urban neighborhoods in cities is expected to increase to 114 degrees Fahrenheit by the year 2100. So hi, my name is Nicholas O'Cleary, and today I'm going to be talking to you about volunteering at the Austin Community Tree Program, which is a program that plants trees in urban neighborhoods to try and lower the temperature of the neighborhood overall. So thank you all for coming. And I want to say that the purpose of this presentation is to encourage you to volunteer at the Austin Community Tree Program. And to do this, we're going to go over three main topics. The history of the issues that caused the city to start this program, the impact that the trees have on the neighborhoods themselves, and the advantages of volunteering at this specific program. So to go on to the first point of the history of the issues, on average, urban neighborhoods are about 5.4 degrees higher in temperature than rural neighborhoods, so they're hotter usually, and in the evenings this percentage can go up to 22%, so it's a pretty big difference. And the temperature on average is expected to increase by the year 2100 of about 7 to 10 degrees overall. And also, there's about 3,000 deaths per year worldwide from pollution, and according to the Washington Post, trees planted to reduce the temperature in neighborhoods also reduces the pollution in the neighborhoods. And so, because of these issues, the city of Austin in 2006 created the Austin Community Tree Program, which has planted over 4,000 trees in different neighborhoods in Austin to lower the temperature. And they've covered about 15 different neighborhoods as of 2014, but I'm sure that number has increased since then. So to go on to my second point of the impact of the trees in the neighborhood, each neighborhood that gets trees planted in them, the temperature gets reduced about 3 to 6 degrees overall. And these trees also create a wider or a larger canopy over the neighborhood, which adds more shade and allows wildlife to spread throughout the neighborhood. Pollution overall, trees affect pollution. They decrease the deaths by pollution about 8.7% worldwide, and the specific trees planted by the Austin Community Tree Program helps to reduce that number in Austin specifically. And these trees, when they plant these trees, they also make sure there's a wide variety of different species of trees, because this encourages biodiversity, which increases the amount that trees will spread throughout the neighborhood and take over to lower the temperature even further. And so this brings me to my final point, which is the advantages of volunteering with Austin Community Tree Program specifically. And so the first one is that you get to actually meet the people that you're helping out in these neighborhoods. For example, when I was volunteering, there was 3 of us that went out to a retired veteran's house, and we were going to plant 4 different trees in his garden. And he actually came outside and started talking to us about the trees, and he gave us like fun tips about each specific tree and their characteristics about them. He also brought us waters to keep us hydrated and just kept us entertained throughout the entire process of planting the trees, which only took about an hour and a half to do. The other advantage is that you actually get to see your impact on the neighborhoods through the trees, and you get to watch them as they grow in people's gardens and actually affect the overall neighborhood. And so in conclusion, we talked about the Austin Community Tree Program and how their goal is to plant as many trees in different neighborhoods as possible to overall lower the temperature of that neighborhood. We went over the advantages of this program and how you actually get to see the trees grow and actually observe the benefit of them and meet people that you're actually helping. And I hope that all this information has encouraged you to volunteer at our program and support the cause of lowering the temperatures of different neighborhoods. Thank you, and I'll take any questions.